Hello, this is Dr. Paul Goldberg of the Goldberg Tenor Clinic in Tyrone, Georgia. Today you're going to be seeing an interview with Dr. David Tenor and a patient of ours, Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina came in with a complex case of rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis, the way she had been diagnosed, with very badly inflamed knees and systemic disease. As rheumatoid disorders are, they're systemic in nature. But Wilhelmina, as we'll see, by addressing causes and creating the right conditions for her return to health, had a dramatic improvement. Here's Dr. Tenor in his interview with Wilhelmina.
Hi, I'm Dr. Tenor. We're here at the Goldberg Tenor Clinic, where we focus on helping patients reverse chronic disease. And I'm delighted today to present a recent case with one of our patients, a star pupil who's been coming to see us for several months. Her name's Wilhelmina. And Wilhelmina, when she came in several months ago, was really in rough shape. She was depressed as a result of pain. Her quality of life was not what she wanted it to be. She was being shuffled around from doctor to doctor, and she was really in a rough state at that time. And she's really had a remarkable turnaround, which we're going to present to you today. She's going to tell her story. So, Wilhelmina, start from the beginning. Tell us about what originally brought you in and a little bit of the background of that.
Well, after seeing 4 doctors, 2 of them were orthopedics. They gave me a little bit of runaround after injections and whatnot. They even told me I would be in a wheelchair in less than a year.
And this was for knee pain.
And this was for knee pain.
And
I could
pain.
hardly walk.
Right.
Leg. It's just that beginning. Be careful, you got the water thing. Right.
It's that right leg, right?
It's the right one.
It's the right one, yep.
The one that really, really hurts.
Okay.
And then it locks every now and then. So it's like I lose the balance. Okie dokie. They were swollen, and again, I went to them, and after a while, I had to look for another orthopedic because of issues. And when I went to that third orthopedic, he said, he looked at me, he came in the room, and he says, "What can I help you today?" I said, "Well, I've been told I need knee replacement." He says, "Well, I don't think you do. I think what you got is rheumatoid arthritis." So he referred me to a rheumatoid arthritis doctor, which I did go. I went 3 times. Again, between pills and injections and runarounds. She told me, you need knee replacement. So I went back to square one. Of course, I started crying, and this good friend of mine, he mentioned about your clinic, and that's where my journey really started it. And praise God, I'm walking, and thanks to you and Dr. Goldberg, I'm doing excellent.
All right, we're here with Wilhelmina Velasquez, and she was here several months ago with severe knee pain and also leg pain as well. That was the primary concern. Surgeon told her she needed a double knee replacement, both knees. Last time she was walking with a cane. It's been a few months. She's been working hard, and let's see what the difference is. So Wilhelmina, come on up, and let's see you walk. All right, let's have you go all the way down. No cane this time, huh?
No pain whatsoever.
No pain in that knee?
No pain in the knees. None whatsoever.
All right. Wilhelmina has had a remarkable turnaround, but prior to coming in, you saw several medical physicians and a rheumatologist. You were facing double knee replacement.
Yes.
They were giving you pain pills,
Injections,
and you
no
weren't getting
walk.
anywhere. And I remember when she came in originally, she really had a very hard time walking. You were using a cane, yes?
Yes,
Yeah.
it was very hard for me to stand up from a chair. I felt like my knees were locked. I hardly did anything at home. I had to depend on other family members, but now I don't.
Yep. And your husband had mentioned that you had the wheelchair already and everything at that time, yes?
I have everything. I have the wheelchair, the walker, the toilet and shower chair. I bought everything.
So Wilhelmina was really facing a situation where she was becoming disabled and then facing double knee replacement surgery. Now, when you came in, we said, we got to look at this comprehensively. And you may have an osteoarthritis situation, may have some autoimmunity going on, and there's usually a lot of crossover. This is something Dr. Goldberg has spoken about for years. He's actually giving a lecture this winter on osteoarthritis and some of the crossover between osteoarthritis and rheumatoid disease and autoimmunity. And so there is a lot of crossover there. So while it may not have been entirely clear as to what the exact nature of your issue was, we wanted to really look at this comprehensively and see if we could identify factors that were contributing to that response, that inflammatory response, and start addressing them directly. And we did find some very significant findings in your labs. We found that Wilhelmina's blood sugar was high, and high blood sugar and blood sugar dysregulation can play a big role in inflammatory issues, including with the joints, with osteoarthritis, and with autoimmune disease. We also found that she was insulin resistant. And she also had high systemic inflammatory markers. So we knew this just was not just an issue with your knee.
No.
This was a body-wide problem. Her knee was involved, but it went well beyond her knee.
Yes.
And so in taking a comprehensive approach and now getting you doing the right things to address these issues, it wasn't long before you started to see a difference.
It
right?
wasn't. It wasn't. Immediately after I stopped everything that you told me and I did the guidelines, I would say in a week or week and a half, I noticed, even before losing some of the weight, I've noticed a big change. I could get up, they were not locking, I can walk, I can move.
Yeah, so she went from facing a wheelchair and then hobbling around in our office a few months ago in pain, with walking with a cane, to now she came in with a big smile on her face, walking up and down the hallway, getting up out of a chair, getting up off the exam table.
All by myself.
No problem at all, without pain and without disability. Now your leg pain, in addition to knee pain, has also improved.
It has improved.
And you're not taking any pain
But
pills?
I'm not taking no pills. Everything is natural. I'm just doing the guidelines that you had taught me.
The other thing that Wilhelmina suffered from, and it was kind of a side note because the primary concern she had was the knee and leg pain, but she also had heartburn, correct?
Yes, a lot of heartburn, almost every night. And ever since I've stopped and again did the guidelines, I've noticed that I haven't had a heartburn at all.
Yep. So the combination of the digestive issues she was having and the problems with blood sugar were the main drivers for this inflammatory process. We started to do the right things to address those problems, and she's starting to thrive now. She's lost about 13 or 14 pounds. It's going to take some of that stress off her knees. We still have work to do. We're in the early stages, but we're thrilled. We're seeing such remarkable improvement in such a short period of time that we know there's such good potential to really get this all the way completed.
And I've always noticed also that I am sleeping better. You know, it's like my body, okay, it's time to go to sleep, I sleep. I used to not sleep.
Okay, yeah, so when you get healthy all over, all kinds of things start to fall into place, even ones that you were not necessarily were your top priorities initially. So things are really coming together. We're just absolutely thrilled. Her case is such a good example for the changes that are possible, the positive changes that are possible when we identify causal factors, address them directly, no longer facing surgery or disability. And we're just absolutely thrilled. We got to keep this going.
Yes, we do.
All right, well, thank you for sharing your story.
No problem. And I hope it can help somebody out there.
Yep, we look forward to your ongoing success.
Yes.